Okay, we learned how to build a sentence in simple future tense. Now let's find out when we actually need to use it. Simple future is often used to express what we think will happen in the future. Because we can never know what will actually happen, right? So, we only show what we think will happen in the future. We show our prediction of the future. For example, the forecast shows that it will snow tomorrow. I believe Germany will win the next Soccer World Cup. I'll be home before you know it. The lecture will start at 8:30. We'll never make it. Alice will probably go to university after she graduates from high school. We also use simple future to express a spontaneous decision. In other words, something we weren't planning on doing before. The decision came suddenly. For example, Mary said she isn't coming to work this week. Oh, don't worry, I'll talk to her. The decision to talk to Mary came suddenly, after he learned that she wasn't coming to work this week. It's a spontaneous decision. Jack, there's some weird people in black at the front door. I'll answer it. Again, it wasn't a planned action. He wasn't going to answer the door until he was told that there were some people standing at the front door. The decision to answer the door came suddenly. Oh, I'm so sorry. I spilled wine on your white shirt. It's okay. I'll take it to the dry cleaners. Was he planning to take his white shirt to the dry cleaners before his girlfriend spilled wine all over it? No, he wasn't. It's also a spontaneous decision. I hate to tell you this, but you failed this exam. Oh, I guess I'll have to try my luck next year. He wasn't planning to take his exam again next year, right? He was hoping he would pass one this year. The decision to try his luck next year came very suddenly, right after he heard that he'd failed the exam. That's it for now. Stay tuned.